I am thankful for today. I am grateful for every experience, positive and negative, in my life. I am thankful for the dark, which turns into light. I am thankful for all the happiness I receive. I am thankful for good health. I am grateful for the love I experience and can share with others. I am thankful for the family and friends in my life. I am thankful for all the learning and knowledge that I have received. I am thankful for all the people who support and help me. I am thankful that I can say my affirmations and pray. I am grateful that what I am doing is helping me achieve my goals. I am thankful to work towards my goals. I am grateful to have a satisfying job. I am thankful to receive opportunities to grow in my career. I am thankful that I am able to exercise and take care of myself. I am thankful that I am able to do what I like. I am successful. I am successful in all areas of my life. Every day, I have more and more success. I am unstoppable. I always get success in my work. I am successful in everything I do. Every day, in every way, I get better and better. I am a winner. I always win in whatever I choose to do. I am thriving. I am a magnet for success. I attract success in whatever I do. I get success effortlessly. Success follows me everywhere. I am creating success every day. I love success, and success loves me. I see myself very successful. I am highly successful. I receive knowledge every day. I have a great deal of knowledge. I am open to receive new knowledge every day. Every day, I am expanding my knowledge to excel in my life. By learning more, I am growing more powerful every day. I am receiving divine wisdom. I am highly knowledgeable in my field. I am recognized for my exceptional knowledge. I learn things effortlessly and miraculously. I am wisdom. I am learning and evolving every day. I have a creative mind, and I use my knowledge wisely. I am guided by my power of knowledge. I am constantly flowing with creative ideas. The universe is sending me creative ideas to innovate and excel. I am open to receiving unlimited wealth. I love wealth, and wealth loves me. I am a money magnet. I am open and receptive to all the wealth life offers me. I make unlimited money every day. I am happily getting richer every day. I am accumulating more wealth every day. I am strong and wealthy, so I can help others. I receive money from expected and unexpected sources. I am worthy of financial prosperity. I have multiple income sources. I am earning passive income every day. Money flows continuously into my life. My money is constantly increasing. The universe abundantly showers me with wealth. I am blessed and financially independent.